Strategic and Informative Solutions Consultancy Private Limited has 4 divisions: Size Consultancy, Size Training, Category Research and Measurement for Business (CRMB), and Size Advertising. Size Consultancy started its journey way back in 2007 as one-man company with its leader Kedar Joshi, who started his sales career as mere sales representative in Camlin India Limited way back in 1990s. He quickly learned retail sales, roaming a hard daily sale through Gujarati and Marwadi stationers, office and school stationery retailers across Mumbai and around. His next stint was for 7 years in Loctite India Private Limited, an American multinational consumer products company. Kedar Joshi climbed ladder under his first marketing and sales guru, Mr. Ketan Vyas, who was regional head for West India then. Quickly, Kedar Joshi became one of the fine performers and started sharing responsibility in other states out of Maharashtra as well. After Loctite, he made a stint in Sarfacoats Limited, an interior paint company, as area sales manager for Maharashtra, where his productions were valued by his directors. With an aggressive stance, Kedar Joshi made a sizable change in revenue flows of Maharashtra to join Philips India Limited Consumer Electronics Division. Mr. Rajiv Karwal, a man who created history by making LG Electronics Limited a great brand in India, was his top boss in Philips India Limited. Under him, Kedar Joshi got huge learnings of IIM Ahmedabad and changed personality came out with great results for Philips India Limited. After that, he crawled ladders as regional head, national head and then business head. During this journey of 23 years, Kedar Joshi had decided to establish his own consulting company and branding company. His ideals stand, fame and great personalities. His first boss, Mr. Velankar, followed with Mr. Ketan Vyas and his general manager, Mr. Srinivas, Mr. Rajiv Karwal of LG Electronics, then his brand guru, Mr. Jagdeep Kapoor, his marketing guru, Mr. Kamath sir. Others who have made a huge impact on his personality stand Mr. Zig Ziglar, Mr. Shiv Khera and Mr. Santosh Nair. Today, with the total experience of 29 years in the field of strategic consulting, MSME problems, marketing and sales problems, brand making at its core, Strategic and Informative Solutions Consultancy Private Limited has established with 4 separate divisions of consultancy, training, research and advertising. He faced huge challenges as an entrepreneur in his first 2 years, 2009 and 2010. Arihant brand, a mid-sized consumer company, gave chance as consultant way back in 2006. Mr. Kedar Joshi used to go after his duty hours for meetings and field assistance for Arihant brand. This was followed with Creepy Stationers, Jagannath Foods, Snowclean India, Wilson Graphics and Indus Instruments Private Limited. These companies made foundation for his successful headway as consulting company. After making great success at Indus, a battery and inverter brand, he was pitched by a lot of companies as their consulting partner. Size Consultancy has a lot of feathers in their cap with some excellent brand establishments. One prime example stands HSB, Happy Scented Beginning, a perfume brand, and Hemant brand Agarbattis, with excellent take as brand ambassador Tejasri Pradhan, a great push for their brand was given with a proper brand program with innovative idea of Agarbatti Utsav, a first timer of its kind in Maharashtra. And a massive 100 kg, 10 feet long and 2 feet broad Agarbatti was displayed. Again a first timer of its kind, become a center of attraction in all television news channels and all other medias, and huge public recognition for HSB brand was at center stage. This stands only one such example. A lot of creativity, intelligence, newness and out of box thinking is delivered by Kedar Joshi for making Size Consultancy a vital establishment. Hair dye market survey, feasibility report for cleaning category, brand to sales promotion research survey was conducted for repute of a brand who is in market for last 27 years. All India research work was conducted for client of paper industry. Very difficult and a broad kind of study was required for the same, which was successfully done by Kedar Joshi along with his colleagues. As a sales and marketing personality, Kedar Joshi has met at least 30,000 plus businessmen till date. 5,000 plus have attended his trainings and lot of them have been part for consulting solutions. He is also exposed for international business for his clients. As a consulting company, Size Consultancy is exposed with variety of experience in various categories to be delivered for their clients. Hair dye industry, office leather bags category, office school consumer products, consumer electronics products category, masala category, food industry, inverter and battery industry, printing and packaging industry, packaged water industry, perfume category, agarbatti category, agro farm products, ice cream category, hotel industry, fashion retail category, denim jeans category, paint industry, paper industry, MLM industry and lot to be others. Kedar Joshi has developed technique by name SMOP technique that answers almost major questions of businessmen, and naturally it helps them to become lion in their business life as well as real life. A Lion Advanced Training Program is perfectly crafted for businessmen's needs and conducted personally by Lion Kedar Joshi. Basic mantra what Kedar Joshi believes and wants to believe is branding is profit and profit is branding.